Ano po, attorney, ang inyong working timeline for this? How soon can you release your findings?
Well, our directive to our regional office is dapat ASAP po itong mailabas yung aming investigation report kasi nakatutok po ang buong bansa. No? And even I think the international community ay nakatingin na rin po dito. So mas maganda po na mailabas namin yung aming report as soon as possible kasi kung meron man pong mas publish na accountability, dapat masimulan na po kaagad yung proseso na makamit yung justice because of these accountabilities.
And of course, over 100 families were also displaced because of this encounter. Ano po ba ang immediate obligations ng gobyerno pagdating dito, attorney?
But it is the obligation of the government, particularly the local government unit na nakakasakop po doon sa community na yon, to ensure that they are well assisted yung kanilang pangangailangan. But so far, according to the reports of our personnel from the regional office, the mayor of Tubos is taking care of the welfare naman po noong mga na-displaced, and yung nabanggit ko na rin po kanina na nakabalik na po sila sa kanilang mga bahay, yung mga tao. Yes.
And attorney, this incident also reflects yung deeper issues, especially in conflict areas, kasama na po ang Negros. What needs to be done or what needs to change to prevent this from happening again?
I think yung root cause po nitong nagiging problema na ito is pwede po siguro tayong bumalik doon sa issue ng poverty, inequality, baka land issues, no? So, yun po siguro yung mas magandang tingnan ng national government. How are we going to answer or resolve those issues? Kasi hanggang at existing po ng issues na yon, merong mga tao talaga that they would air their grievance against the government, especially yung nasa marginalized. However, ang ano naman namin dito is sana daanin sa magandang pagkipag-usap. No? Ever since the Commission on Human Rights has always called for the end of armed conflict.